Hey everyone, I'm back, ready to do another tutorial real quick on how to buy kin being in the US. I've seen a lot of questions regarding that on Reddit, so I figured I'd do a little quick video since I've bought quite a bit. First of all, you just want to buy USD Coin on Coinbase. That's what I do. So I bought some real quick just to show you. I bought 226 coins, just regular old USD coin. Once you do that, you go over and you activate your VPN. Make sure you have to use a VPN. Okay, I bought unlimited VPN. For like $30, they give you unlimited lifetime subscription for up to 5 devices. It's pretty nice. I'll post a link below. That's what I use. But yeah, just grab a VPN, activate it. It thinks that I'm in Sydney, Australia. Once you do that, then you go over to FTX and you sign up. You just, put your information. You don't need to do the KYC, the verification or anything like that. It does cap how much you're allowed to buy, but it's not like you can still buy quite a bit. Once you get that set up, just go over to your wallet. You'll want to go over to the USD and stable coins and do a deposit. Once you're here, just do deposit USD coin, and you want to use the first address. Okay, that's your deposit address. Just do that real quick, and that'll be your first address, and you'll get the coins. Like you saw, I bought 226 coins. They actually credited me 220 coins because it's a $5 fee, which kind of sucks. But anyway, once you do that, you want to go ahead and type kin on top. Here, just do kin, and then you'll want to do kin USD. With kin USD, you go over, you say buy, you enter the amount that you want to buy. I want to buy a whole crap load. I did 220, right? 220, you can get 900 coins, and just submit your purchase. I already did it. Okay, it's right here. They're just, it's currently going through its process, and I'm buying people's kin. But yeah, as you can see, I got 119 kin so far. Okay, once you have this, okay, once you have the kin purchased, you want to go over to withdrawal. You want to hit max amount. You want to put the address you want to send it to. It's going to ask you for the 2FA code, which you'll have on your phone. You enter that, and you send it over to the wallet that you're using. I use Trust Wallet. I set that up. It's pretty easy. I have another video on how to get your actual Trust Wallet address for kin. Don't actually use the one that appears there. That's actually your sole address for some reason. But if you check my other video, it'll show you how to get your real kin address so that you can transfer. So make sure you do that. Once you hit transfer, you're done. That was it. You purchased kin, and you now have your bags filled. So now we sit and wait and hold for the long run. All right. Till next time.